What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out derivative of square root of 4x minus 1 divided by x. So what we need to do, first of all, we can say 4x minus 1 divided by x. Instead of square root, I can say to the power of 1 over 2. And we know when we find out derivative of u to the power of n, that's going to be n times u to the power of n minus 1 times u prime. On the other hand, when we have ratio or division, when you have u over v, it's going to be, the derivative of it is going to be u prime v minus u v prime over v squared. So based on these two theorems, we can find out the derivative of f of x, which will be 1 over 2 times 4x minus 1 to the over x to the power of negative 1 over 2 times derivative of 4x minus 1, which is 4, times x minus 4x minus 1 times derivative of x divided by x squared. Then you can simplify it, 1 over 2 x over 4x minus 1 to the power of 1 over 2. I just flipped it to make this one positive. Then you have 4x minus 4x plus 1 divided by x squared when you simplify it. 4x and negative 4x cancels out, and we're gonna have 1 over 2 x over 4x minus 1 to the power of 1 over 2 times 1 over x squared. So it's going to be 1 over 2x squared square root of x over 4x minus 1. So that's going to be the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.